Your extra siren is 4 times louder than the siren built into your base station, so it's sure to get the attention of any uninvited guests. It can also play a door chime when the entry sensors are opened, and a countdown before your system is armed or triggered. You can install these inside or outside. For example, by your front door to warn off intruders, outside under an eave to notify neighbors, or on the other side of your home from the base station to ensure you hear it. To install it, first pull the battery tab. This can be a tight seal, so if you can't pull it out, just unscrew the battery cover to remove it. Locate the test button on top of the siren. Then, press it to add the device to your system. Remove the adhesive backing and press the siren on the wall for 30 seconds. You can also install it with screws. Push up on the siren to remove it from its bracket. Then, screw the bracket into your wall with the included screws. Just a reminder, protect your ears when testing your 105 decibel siren. Prolonged exposure could be harmful to hearing. Remember, you can use your keypad to adjust your siren volume and settings to your liking.